The Bell V-280 VALOR is a tilt-rotor aircraft being developed by Bell Helicopter for the United States Army's Future Vertical Lift Program. The aircraft was officially unveiled at the 2013 Army Aviation Association of America's annual professional forum and exposition in Fort Worth, Texas. The V-280 made its first flight on the 18th of December 2017 in Amarillo, Texas. On the 5th of December 2022, the V-280 was chosen by the U.S. Army as the winner of the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft Program to replace the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk. The Bell V-280 was chosen over the Sikorsky DEFIANT X on the 5th of December 2022. This is the future of air dominance.